So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily apply astronomy wallpapers on your iPhone, the real-time astronomy wallpaper that shows real locations of the planets around the world, around the universe. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, simply go to scroll down and go to a wallpaper section. Now once you are in the wallpaper section, hit on this option of add new wallpaper. Now once you do that, you simply need to scroll down this section, and here you'll see this option of astronomy right there. Simply click on this. Now once you do that, it will take time, and now you'll see the astronomy wallpapers has been applied to your lock screen. You can customize it that there are multiple other things like earth in detail, moon in detail, or multiple other planets, as well as you can get all the solar system right there as well. These locations are the exact locations of the planet right around the universe. You can check all of them in the real time. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.